Good morning mga bike buds. Kamusta na? Kamusta na? I'm very excited today because today I was able to acquire something special. Gumalaw. Something special. I was looking for a bike for my little kiddo and scroll sa marketplace until I found this. And it's really cute. It's really nice. It's okay for its condition, you know. And I've researched it. It was made in 2008, pero okay pa siya for 2008. It just needs a little cleaning, and probably papalitan ko lang yung brakes, yung calipers, and then it's good to go. Tingnan na. Yan. So this is a GT Mach 1 Mini. Based on my research, it's 2008. Complete parts pa siya with the chain guard, and then we have yung balancers niya. I don't know if this is original though, because I think this is for a stand, and not really for a coaster brake. So yan, but everything is original to, original GT seats, with ayan, may sticker lang siya dyan, pero aalisin natin yan mamaya. And then I think original grips. I think this came with, yan talaga yung original niyang hubs. I think nothing has changed, and I don't know, I think hindi ko na rin babaguhin, ganyan na lang siya, except for the brakes, because the brakes are, I don't like it, medyo kalawang na. But it also has the original, I checked the, I checked yung bike mismo na 2008, and it still has the original chain wheel. So faded na yung crank arm, but it's okay. So generally, this bike is awesome. Yan. Tapos ano pa to? Lichin. Then the GT. Ganda pa ng headset. Yeah. So I think with a little cleaning, brushing, and then polish lang natin yung paint, tanggalin natin yung stickers doon, it's good to go. This is going to be a nice project. And so lumipat tayo dito kasi sobrang init doon sa kabilang side. We're supposed to do it there, but yeah, dito na lang. I'll try to remove this. After ma-cleaning nito kasi, what I'll do is I'll remove the pedals. Hayaan ko muna siyang parang maging balancer ng anak ko. And then, probably I'll replace this. I'll look for a good replacement. I think I'll retain this yung Lichin because wala pa akong maliit na brake levers. Meron ako yung mga 80s brake levers, so walang mga mid-school. So, and then I'll just clean up everything. So by the looks of it, mukhang hindi siya gamit na gamit, no? Kasi yung mga threads nandiyan pa, okay pa yung threads eh. And then relatively okay. Of course ito talaga mag-rust yan eh. And of course the bolts, yung mga nuts, but relatively good, relatively nice. Intact pa siya lahat. Except ito yan. Of course, syempre bata ang gagamit. It's either itutumba sa kalsada or matutumba. So yan. Then I'm trying to remove this. Simula na siya mag-peel off. So yung residue na lang tatanggalin natin. Alright. Yun. So, quick wash lang tayo. But with a quick wash, para siyang pearl white. Pearl white tong kulay niya. But since the bike is, well, relatively intact talaga. Maayos pa. I'll leave it as it is para may dating na, ano, na cute gamit. May pegs pa. But, so I'll just dry it up and then we'll dry it under the sun and then we'll oil it a bit para gumana ulit yung mga components na maayos. Whew, yan. So, nalinis na natin. Pinatutuyo ko na. So, we're just going to, nakita ko to. Ewan kung kita nyo. But I think, I'll remove this. And then repaint this. And then, of course, we'll remove this and this para matanggal natin at ma-repaint. And then, I will remove this. Papalitan ko siya. I have a black BMX brake caliper. The only problem is I don't know if it has the same reach, so I'm not sure kasi kung pareho to ng 20-inch na reach, so we'll check on that since this is a mini bike. And then probably spray black on those. I'll remove the seat, repaint the seat post, or not kasi I'm sure yung anak ko ibababa ko ng husto yan so that he can, kasi tatanggalin ko yung pedals eh, and then bababa ko ng husto yan. She'll use it as a balancer muna para matuto lang siya mag-balance, and then once she can balance na, I'll put back the pedals. So that's one thing that I learned when I taught my other kid to bike. You don't need a balancer. What you just need to do is remove the pedals. Tanggalin niyo lang to, and then baba niyo yung upuan, let them ride it like a balancer, and then when they learn how to balance, yun na, they can bike na. Alright, di ko nakakabit yung training wheels niya. Don't need it. Then, yun na. Rock and roll!